Hi. Our today's special is Pongal or Ven Pongal or Khara Pongal. It's a dish from Tamilnadu. In Tamilnadu, Pongal is a celebration related to agriculture. At that time a dish with same name is made. But there are two varieties of Pongal. One is sweet version named as sarkkarai Pongal. It only made on Pongal season only. And today's version is savory one, and usually served a breakfast dish. The main ingredients are raw rice and moong dal. First of all, wash them well, and drain water. Next we will dry roast moong dal. It will give special aroma and taste to Pongal. Some people cook it without roasting. So we will cook 1 cup raw rice and half cup moong dal in a pressure cooker with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and enough salt. You must take care while adding water for cooking. The consistency we require is somewhat overcooked, just like curd rice. Curd rice recipe already we shared. So almost water must be evaporated. If you think it's not cooked enough, you can mash it with a ladle. Okay, see, now we cooked it fine. For tempering, heat 2 teaspoons of ghee in a pan. If you like the taste of ghee, you can add more ghee. It will definitely double the taste and aroma. Now add some cashew nuts and roast it. Next add cumin seeds in same ghee. Next black pepper and sauce it. Next half teaspoon crushed ginger, chopped green chilies. One spring curry leaves, and a pinch of asafoetida and saute well. And pour it over the rice mix and combine well. So this is the Ven Pongal or Khara Pongal, Tamil Nadu's favorite breakfast. You can have it without any curry. Or you can try sambar as a good combination. So, if you like this video, press like button and share it with your friends and relatives. And if you like watch these kind of recipe videos first, press the bell icon after pressing subscription button. See you in our next video. Thank you.